One of the questions we get a lot at Greenback is about Social Security benefits. Talk to me a little bit about Social Security and the eligibility for that.
So when it comes to Social Security benefits, once you get them, they're yours. Eligibility to receive these benefits is critical. If you don't meet the eligibility requirements, you don't get anything. All of your Social Security is going to be taxable, but you might be taxed on either 80%, 50%, or 0% of this. And depending on what country you live in, you might be able to make a treaty election to where the US doesn't tax your Social Security at all. You can have your Social Security direct deposited to any bank in the United States or overseas, with the exception of certain countries that are sanctioned, such as Cuba, North Korea, Sudan, and Syria. The Social Security Administration won't make any deposits into bank accounts located in sanctioned countries, but you won't lose those benefits. They'll just continue to hold on to those, and then once you have a bank account set up for direct deposit somewhere that's not sanctioned, you'll get all your benefits paid to you. Windfall elimination provisions are important to know about because they can limit the amount of Social Security benefits that you receive. It doesn't apply to everybody. It uses some older provisions, but when you're retired, you're typically on a fixed income, so you don't want any unexpected surprises, i.e. you get a much smaller Social Security check than you expect. When it comes to Medicare, I always recommend that everyone speak to a Social Security consultant by the time they reach age 62. The reason being is you want to be able to plan for that accordingly when you're eligible for benefits when you're age 65. Even if you're an expat and you've been living outside of the United States for a long time and you don't intend to return to the United States at any time, you still want to know what your options are. Well, if you don't sign up for them when you're eligible, later on you want them, you might have to pay more, or you might not be eligible at all. Healthcare costs in general are really high in the United States, but Medicare benefits cover a lot of things for no cost or low cost, and the annual premiums are actually pretty reasonable. Currently, they're about a little more than $2,000 per year.